Okay, so I've got my first corn. Yay! So let's do an unwrapping together, just like the kids do on YouTube. Everyone's going to watch me unpack it. All right. Wow! So these little tassel things, these are connected to every single corn kernel on the cob. So all these little, you know, when you peel a corn cob and there's really annoying hairy things, they actually do a part, and they actually make you need this to be germinated for the corn to germinate. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's like unwrapping a present, and you're gonna rip it off. Okay, it's got lots of layers. It's not an onion, but it's got lots of layers. All right. Okay, this is pretty cool. My first corn. Ah. So half of it, let's show you some pretty cool corn. But on the other side, let's go around. So the other side hasn't all germinated and worked, but the other part has. That's pretty cool. This is my first corn. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.